Here we are continuing with rational numbers exercise 1.1. Coming to question number 5. Name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. So the first one you see is minus 4 by 5 into 1. Then 1 into minus 4 by 5 is giving you minus of 4 by 5. Okay, so this is multiplying any number with 1 gives you the number itself. It is showing this, which is your presence of identity, or 1 is the multiplicative identity. That one. It is also showing in this portion commutative law, but basically the second one you see is commutative law clearly. First number into the second is equal to second number into the first. So for this one you state commutative law. For this would be multiplicative identity. This one is showing multiplicative identity. The third one, any number is being multiplied by its reciprocal. This is its reciprocal to give you the multiplicative identity, which is 1. So this is inverse, existence of multiplicative inverse. Okay, so identity, multiplicative inverse, and this is commutative law. Okay, first I'm taking the oral ones, written one I'll come later, so sixth later. Seventh one, tell the property that allows you to compute this calculation, that 1 by 3 multiplied by first multiplying 6 into 4 by 5, or maybe multiplying 1 by 3 by 6 and then multiplying it by 4 by 5. So that is associative law. Okay, so these are simply what you have to state. Now see the 10th one. Write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. So that would be 0, because 0 means 0 upon 1 if you write it, then reciprocating 1 upon 0, and we know in rational numbers division by 0 is not allowed. Q denominator should not be 0. Okay, so 0 is the only rational number which does not have its inverse or reciprocal. Rational numbers that are equal to their rational reciprocals, that is 1 and minus 1. In your earlier question also I had already told you this. Okay, that reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1, of 1 is 1. Now rational number that is equal to its negative, that would be 0 again. Okay, because 0 is the only number which is neither negative nor positive, or you can say giving it any sign will not affect it. Otherwise, if you multiply any number with its negative, the sign changes. So 0 is the rational number which is equal to its negative. Now 11th one, fill in the blanks. 0 has no reciprocal. अभी हमने यहाँ ऊपर देखा है. So 0 has no reciprocal. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocals. 1 and minus 1. That's all repetition, but important facts to be kept in mind. Reciprocal of minus 5 is minus 1 upon 5, or 1 upon minus 5. Either way you write it. Okay. Reciprocal of 1 by x, if x is not equal to 0, becomes x. All easy question. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number only. Closure law we had studied. Reciprocal of a positive rational number is, reciprocal children, is positive only, because in reciprocal you just interchange the position of numerator and denominator. The sign is not altered. Children do get confused in this. Okay, negative additive inverse hota hai, all right, not multiplicative inverse. Now coming to the sixth one, which is asking you to find the multiplying 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. Okay, so this number to be multiplied by reciprocal of this would become 16 upon minus 7. So simple multiplication, numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay, that's also simple. Then your 8th question was asking that if 8 upon 9 is multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8. So we need to check. So what I've done here is I have multiplied the two numbers. 8 upon 9 was the given number and this was suggested as its inverse. So changing it to its mixed form, 8 ones are 8, 9 upon 8. Now if I cancel whatever I can, I end up getting minus 1. For multiplicative inverse, we should get 1. Okay, any number is said to be multiplicative inverse if on multiplying with any number it gives you the multiplicative identity 1, not minus 1. They are not same. So you would say no, this is not the multiplicative inverse. Look at the next one. Same way we had to check here also. So 0.3 was given to you and this was suggested as its inverse. So if you're converting this, then 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 upon 3. Decimal से इसे भी fraction में ले आए हम 3 upon 10. Then all is getting cancelled and this time you are getting 1. So if you get the product of two numbers as 1, then 1 is the multiplicative inverse of the other.